Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In this video guys, I'm going to be sharing with you guys another powerful strategy of v75 strategy, okay? So guys, if you are excited, I want to see me do that. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, okay? Just quickly go and do that. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post powerful strategy like this, you're going to get notified immediately. Okay, here I post simple strategy, simple but profitable strategy that will help you grow your small account. Okay, so if you have been blowing your account, or you have been looking for a strategy that you will use to grow your small account, here on this channel I post strategy that will help you grow that your small account. So I would like if you join our family so that we help ourselves to grow and make money daily from the forex market. Okay, so guys, with that out of the way, let me quickly show you guys how this lovely strategy works. Okay, so you make sure you don't skip any part of this video guys. Make sure you watch the video till the end because you wouldn't want to miss any vital information I'll be sharing. Okay, so now how does this strategy works? This strategy just has only two conditions you need to follow before taking an entry. Okay, and make sure you observe that, or you stick to that condition. Okay, make sure you stick to that condition every time you want to take a trade. Okay, so now our first condition is very simple. What you need to do is to, first of all, you allow price. Okay, like let's say you want to buy, you are going to allow price to break through this red moving average on the main screen. Okay, on the main chart, sorry, you're going to allow price to break through it. That is going to be your first condition. Now for the second condition, you will wait till the green and blue indicator here crosses above the red one. Okay, so once you see these two conditions being met, the next thing you do is to take your buy entry. Okay, so that is just what you need. Just need these two crossing like this, and then this one. Okay, then you go in for your buy. So let me show you an example on the sell. For the sell, you do the opposite. Okay, you are going to be buying below, so you wait for the crossing like this. Okay, wait for the crossing, then also on the indicator window you wait for a crossing like this too, and then you take your sell entry. Okay, immediately you see the blue crossing below the red indicator on the indicator window right here. Immediately you see the crossing, you should just go in. Okay, just go in for your sell, and then you are going to place your stop loss in any of this region right here. Okay, above the red moving average, just place either here or anywhere you are comfortable with. Okay, anywhere you are willing to set your stop loss and you are okay with the risk. Okay, so that is it. That is how the strategy works. And for your TP, you are going to target the next structure, the most current structure, maybe around this place. Okay, I'm going to target the next structure the market make. Let's say something like this. We are targeting this one right here. Okay, so once price gets to this area right here, you are going to close. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Now let me show you something guys. Let me show you something quickly before I end the video, because this strategy is kind of in line with price action. Okay, once you understand price action and you use it with this strategy, you are going to make a lot of money guys. Let me just show you a simple illustration. Okay, as you can see right here, we have a support and resistance zone right here in this area. You can see that price broke through this one right here. It came down, there was a support zone here, it bounced on it, went up. Okay, it went up, rejection. Okay, there was a resistance zone there, it rejected price down, and then it bounced on this support zone right here. Okay, and now you see that it broke through our moving average here, which is your first condition, your first signal, your first sign that price is about to change and move to the upside. Okay, so it came down here, there was a minor support and resistance zone here. Okay, so price bounced on top of it and then broke through this support and resistance zone here. It came back and retested it and then went on to the upside. Okay, so once you understand this thing, you are going to like put it in line with our strategy right here. So now the strategy, the indicator here is trying to like simplify everything for you. So even if you don't understand what I just did, yours is just to know that whenever price cross this red line, you just buy. Okay, nothing is your business again. Your own is that if price cross it, you buy. So that's just as simple as it is. You don't need to complicate anything for yourself. Okay, so that is just as simple as that. So guys, if you have watched the video till this extent and you have not yet subscribed, please do me the favor of subscribing. It's not going to take anything from you. Okay, just support the channel. Okay, like the video so that YouTube can promote it to other people, so that others can see this strategy and use it to also make money. Okay, so thank you guys. Now that is it for this strategy. For the zoom level, you are going to zoom out completely like this. Okay, and then you zoom in twice, guys. You're going to zoom in twice. Okay, now this is the zoom level. You zoom out completely and you zoom in 1, 2. That's it. Okay, let me just quickly share the settings with you guys. You click on the F icon. Okay, our first indicator right here is the moving average, and this is just the setting. Okay, make sure you screenshot your screen or you copy the numbers and everything you are seeing here somewhere. Okay, then after that you click on done. Our next moving average is the alligator. Okay, but guys, there's something I would like to show you guys. Let me just delete everything and do it from afresh so that you won't be confused. Okay, so you have clicked the F icon. So the next thing you do now is to click on this F icon right here. After clicking on the F icon, you search for your moving average. Okay, you set everything like this and you click on done. After that, you still click on this F icon again. Then you search for your relative strength index. Okay, so you just add the relative strength index. You click on done. Then now you click on this F icon right here. After clicking on this F icon, you search for our alligator, which is this one right here. Okay, click on it. Then you set everything like this. Okay, you set everything like this, the way you are seeing it on the screen right now. Okay, then after that you click on done. Okay, you see everything like this. Then you go back, you click on the F icon again, and then you click on delete. You delete the relative strength index. Delete the relative strength index. Then it's going to be like this. Okay, the reason why I add the relative strength index is just to get this level right here. Okay, to get our indicator window 1. Okay, so without the relative strength index, nothing is going to show. Okay, so make sure you do that. So that's it, guys. That is it for this video. I'm going to be drawing the curtain right here. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Okay.